Getting together with Joe and Stan this morning as we start our fuel tank replacement on our Pursuit 3370. Want to go over all the parts that need to be taken off before we start cutting anything. Remove batteries. Disconnect shore power. Fresh water and salt water wash down. Shower. Remove the seating, rod holders, the cushions, and then go over where we're going to cut. All right, we're going to cut across, down past Joe, up just inside our fur piece. There you go.
You gotta pull one side out first. Pull your side up.
But it looks like Stan and Joe have gotten the fiberglass components cut out of their way, and they've begun to unrig the fuel tanks so we can get these things out and find out why 10-year-old fuel tanks fail.
I don't want to be on that.
This is because they use 5200 to hold the rubber on. But with 5200, when you do that, you have to make sure that it's evenly dispersed. They also, another thing that they messed up on is this rubber has a plastic coating on it. They didn't take the plastic coating off. This really ends up being your seal, because that's between the 5200 and the bottom of the tank. See how they didn't put a lot on it? So it makes all of these voids, and that's where condensation builds up and the tank pits and rots out. That's how a 10-year-old tank goes bad. Stay tuned for our next update video as we continue with our fuel tank replacement to our Pursuit 3370.